Hello everyone, welcome to Clinical Research Info. Today in this video, I am going to show you the different ways of the job applications. This video is actually for the freshers who are looking jobs in clinical research or pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, CRA or clinical research coordinators positions. Today I will show you that how you can apply the jobs via LinkedIn, what are the different features which are available for the job application, and how you can reach to the recruiter. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you will have to log into your LinkedIn account, and there will be like that you can see the downside of this screen. There will be five icon: home, my network, post, notifications, and jobs. So first of all, you have to select on that jobs icon. Once you click on the jobs, you will land up on this page of the LinkedIn. Now, before start of the any application, you should have two documents ready with you. One is your CV, and second is your cover letter. Now, a CV you already have, but it might be possible that you might not have the cover letter. Why cover letter is required for the job application? Because if you will apply the jobs via website, recruiter website, for example, if you are applying for Sun Pharma, so you will be needing a cover letter in the PDF copy for the application when you will visiting the Sun Pharma websites. So that is why you need a cover letter. Your cover letter should include the job ID number, your concise detail of your qualification, your experience, your skills, and the entire detail of you and your experience, qualification, and everything will be covered into the cover letter. Now, for example, if you are looking for the clinical research coordinator job or any clinical research job which you are looking for as a fresher, so what you have to do is, as you can see this search box here, you have to write here clinical research, and you can put down the location as per your requirement. For example, if you are living in Bangalore, so you can write it down the Bangalore. If you want to work into the entire like a country India, so you can just keep it as in India. Okay, so here it will list down all of the jobs which are available. So total 881 clinical research jobs are available in India. Now, it might happen that these jobs may include a lot of experience needed, or something which you can't just understand that what this job particular required. Or when you will see, like for example, clinical data manager job. So if you will see here into the job description, they are asking about 4 to 7 years of experience. Now here you will get confused that should I just visit all the posts, and should I find the relevant one. So you don't need to open individual like a job application. What you have to do is click on this experience level, and if you are a fresher, you can just click onto the entry level and show results. Now it will decrease at to the 277 results of the clinical research openings in India. Now here you can see whatever is you are looking for. If you find that this particular job is for me, and this is according to my requirement, and I can do this job perfectly, here is the job description. The requirements is posted, technical requirement is also posted, and here is the job ID. As I was telling you about cover letter job ID. So this job ID you should mention in your cover letter. For example, if you are applying for this job, just copy the job ID from here and paste it into the cover letter, that I am applying for the job site selection specialist, job ID 123456, the number. And also keep in your mind, if you are applying via email, if you are sending email to HR, you should mention the job ID into the subject. For example, if we are applying for this this job application, so how you will write is clinical site selection specialist, and then slash, and then job ID number, application. So the HR or particular person will easily understand that what particular job you are applying for, and it will make a good impression of you, that you are aware what is the job ID and how to apply for the job. Okay, now moving towards the this LinkedIn application. Now here in this part, you will have to focus on two things. First is easy apply, and second is by visiting the website. Now what is easy apply? So for example, here you can see the LinkedIn features. So here is the easy apply, show the results. Okay, so data processor associate clinical data management team. Now this is an easy apply application. You can see it here that over 300 applicants have already been applied. So here what you have to do is easy apply. Name itself is very easy. You don't need to submit any much data, not your mark sheet or something like that. You need to click onto the easy apply. But before applying, please must read the job description, and if you find that okay, you are suitable for this job, you can apply via easy apply option. Now this is the information like my email ID, my phone number, my resume, and then I will click onto the submit, and it has been submitted to the recruiter. Now this is about the easy apply. Now I will click, if I don't want to go via the easy apply, what I will select is under 10 applicants, clinical research in India. Okay, so the entry level is 1. Okay, now if I want to apply for this job, so this itself indicate that it will link to the website. Like you can see this is apply icon. So I will click on the apply button. So first of all, it will show like my profile is already been shared with the job poster, might be HR or someone from the company. Now they are redirecting me to company website. Medical monitor job, apply. So what you will have to do is, once you visit the recruiter website or the company website, for example the Covent, so you are visiting the Covent website, what they will ask you first to make an account with your username, your email ID and password, and accordingly once you create your account, you will log in under that account, and then you can apply for the position. Why that account is beneficial for you? Because whenever is there any another job relevant to your experience or relevant to your requirements, you will get the notifications via email, because you have registered your email onto their website. So you will get the notification from their career pool that this is the opening and you can apply. So whether you are applying it or not, but must make sure that you are enabling the job alert. Now what is job alert here is, here you can see at the like at bottom of the screen, get job search alert is on. So if I will on, so whenever there is any opening related to the clinical research in India, I will get the notifications that this job is posted. It might relevant to you. You can apply for this job. So that's how this is useful for this job search alert. And this is applicable to particular recruiter websites also. There are a lot of companies who are having this job search alert, and you can just click on that alert and you will get the notifications at each and every time whenever there is any matching job is opening. So this is how you can apply via LinkedIn. I will prepare one more video related to the website application, like how you can apply from the website and how you can make job alert and what are the benefits of the job application. 7 pages of the application, where you will have to give your mark sheet, your marks data, you will have to give your experience data, and like each and every micro level documents information you will have to provide via those 6 pages to the recruiter. So it may take time. Before application via website, you should have documents ready with you, like mark sheets, your the trainings which you have attended, all the informations which are relevant to the job application, all those should be ready with you. Okay, so I'm finishing this video here, and if you have any question related to the clinical research jobs and career guidance, you can write it us to clinicalresearchinfo8@gmail.com. Okay, one more thing I want to show you is, this is for the jobs application. If you, there might happening that they are not posting the jobs on the job platform, but they are posting on their post or day-to-day posting, LinkedIn. So what you can do is, you can just click on this search button, write it down as a clinical research and search. Now here you will be able to see that there are a lot of options here. You can use this, you can just navigate the entire LinkedIn. You will learn a lot from this application. So here what you can do is, you can just click onto the content. Once you click onto content, you will get to know that what are the posts available related to clinical research. Now I am more filter it out as a clinical research jobs. So here see, the HR has posted jobs. Here is also CRA2 jobs. So here, likewise, you can also apply via this HR email. You can just get the HR email and then you can email to them. So this is how you can apply for the jobs via LinkedIn. So best of luck to you, and I hope you receive a job call from the recruiter, and you have any questions related to the career guidance and ICU GCP or the clinical trials information, just you can just reach it out to us on LinkedIn, and also you can reach us out via email clinicalresearchinfo8@gmail.com. See you in the next video. Thank you.